Very good morning, children. Let us focus more sums on the cross product of vectors. I'll take some extra problems also from some other books. So first one, they have given a bar as 2i plus 3j minus k, b bar as I minus 4j plus 2k. You have to find a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. Okay, so first what will I do? I'll first find what is a bar plus b bar. What will I get? 3i minus j plus k. Then I'll find what is a bar minus b bar. क्या आएगा a minus b? I plus 7j minus 3k. Once I am done with a plus b and a minus b, I have to find the cross product. So I'll take help of the determinant. Correct? क्या आएगा 3 minus 1 1 minus 3. You cross multiply, simplify and write the answer. Okay. Next, find the unit vector perpendicular to the vectors. Now you know that whenever we talk about unit vector which is perpendicular to both, it is nothing but n cap. And n cap is nothing but a bar cross b bar upon its magnitude. A bar cross b bar upon its magnitude. So I need to first find what is a cross b. So मेरा a cross b क्या आएगा? I j k. A bar is given as 0 1 2. B bar is given as 1 1 0. Correct? So what will be my a bar cross b bar over here? I cap 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. J cap 0 minus 2, 0 minus 1, that is I am getting a bar cross b bar as minus 2i plus 2j minus k. So मेरा n cap क्या आएगा? minus 2i plus 2j minus k upon इसी वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड कितना आएगा? 4 4 1 will be 3. So you can write plus minus 2i plus 2j minus k upon 3. Okay. Next, third one, they have given that a bar dot b bar is root 3 and they have given that a cross b is 2i plus j plus 2k. You have to find angle between a bar and b bar. You have to find angle between a bar and b bar. How can you do that? So see, since a cross b दिया है, what is sin theta? Sin theta is a cross b का magnitude upon ab. Correct? And what is cos theta? Cos theta होता है a bar dot b bar upon ab. I want to find angle, so I divide both of them. So what will I get? Tan theta as a cross b का magnitude upon ab cut a bar dot b bar. अब a cross b का magnitude कितना आएगा? Square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. A dot b कितना दिया है? root 3. Correct? So my tan theta becomes 9 का square root 3. 3 upon root 3. That is tan theta becomes root 3. Therefore theta is 60 degree. क्या आएगा? Theta 60 degree. Understood? Yes. Now fourth one. If a bar and b bar are given, find a vector of magnitude 5 perpendicular to both the vectors. मतलब a bar is given to you, b bar is given to you, You have to find a vector n cap which is perpendicular to both the vector. But the problem here is if I find n cap, ये n cap का unit, n cap क्या होता है? Unit vector. Unit vector means magnitude is 1. But I want a vector of magnitude 5. So in that case, I'll write n bar as plus minus 5 n cap. First I'll find n cap. Okay, what a is given? 2i plus j minus 3k. B is given as I minus 2j plus k. तो पहले n cap find करोगे. N cap will give me a unit vector of magnitude 1. But since I want a vector of magnitude 5, I'll multiply it by 5. Whatever n cap I get, I'll multiply it by 5. Understood? Yes? Next. You have to find u bar dot b bar, provided u is given to you as 2, v is given to you as 5, u cross v का magnitude is given to you as 8. u dot v find करना है. So see what I will do. I'll take the same sum here. That is, I will say my sin theta will be u cross v का magnitude upon uv. What will be cos theta? u dot v upon uv. Correct? If I divide it, I will not get theta over here. So first you need to find theta. How will you find theta? From here. So मेरा sin theta कितना आएगा? u cross v कितना है? 8. What is uv? 2 into 5. Correct? Therefore, I am getting sin theta as 4 by 5. You know, if sin theta is 4 by 5, you can apply the triangle law to get the value of cos theta, और applied identity. तो cos theta कितना आएगा? Cos theta आएगा 3 by 5. I want to find u dot v. What is uv? 10. So 5 2s are. Therefore, u bar dot v bar is nothing but 6. I'll get u bar dot v bar as 6. Are you getting it? Yes? Understood everyone? Okay, next sum. Now here you have to find u cross v का magnitude. u is given as 10, v is given as 2, and u dot v is given as 12. Correct? Since u dot v दिया है, I will first find what is cos theta. Cos theta क्या आएगा? u dot v upon uv. That is, my cos theta will be 12 upon 10 2s are 20. 4 3s are 4 5s are. So मेरा cos theta कितना आया? 3 by 5. You will write all the steps of finding sin theta. Okay? Sin theta is nothing but here 4 by 5. अब sin theta क्या होता है? u cross v का magnitude upon uv. Now what is uv? 20. So this will become 20. 5 4s are. Therefore, u cross v आएगा 16. Understood? I'll get u cross v as 16. Sixth one of the very good sum. You have to prove that 2 times a bar minus b bar cross 2 times a bar cross b bar, a bar plus b bar equals 4 times a bar cross b bar. ठीक है? क्या करूंगा मैं? I'll take LHS. What is my LHS? 2 2s are 4. A bar minus b bar cross a bar plus b bar. It is cross product, so I'll multiply bracket by bracket. पहले a bar पूरे bracket के साथ क्या आएगा वो? A bar cross a bar plus a bar cross b bar minus b bar cross a bar minus b bar cross b bar. Now we know that cross product of two same vectors is 0. तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, ये भी 0 हो जाएगा, because cross product of two same vectors is 0. So for a bar cross b bar, ये माइनस साइन है, इसको उल्टा किया, this minus will change, so it becomes plus a cross b. So a cross b plus a cross b कितना आएगा? 2 times, that is 8 times a cross b. I think the question is wrong. It should be 8 times a cross b. Understood? Yes? Clear? Next one, children. They have given a bar as I minus 2j plus 3k, b bar as 4i minus 3j plus k, c bar as I minus j plus 2k. We have to verify, is it a bar cross b bar plus c bar as a cross b plus a cross c? Since I am asking you to verify, what you will do, you will first find what is b bar plus c bar. क्या आएगा b bar plus c bar? 5i minus 4j plus 3k. Correct? Then I'll talk about LHS. That is a bar cross b bar plus c bar. I j k. पहला क्या है? a bar is 1 minus 2 3. b plus c कितना है? 5 minus 4 3. I will solve this determinant and get the answer. That will be my equation number 1. Now I will find what is a cross b. What is a cross b? A cross b आएगा 1 minus 2 3, 4 minus 3 1. You will find the answer of this. Then you will find what is a cross c. पहले a है, first I'll copy values of a. Then we have c. c कितना है? 1 minus 1 2. Find a cross c. Now add a cross b and a cross c and check whether this answer is equal to this answer. If they both are equal, it means it is verified. Are you getting it? Calculation part I have left for you, but it is determinant only. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Now next, find area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are. They have given the adjacent sides as a bar as 2i minus 2j plus k, b bar as I minus 3j minus 3k. They ask you to find area of parallelogram if these are adjacent sides. So if you remember, area of parallelogram is given by modulus of the cross product of the adjacent sides. ठीक है? तो क्या आएगा? Modulus of determinant. Cross product मतलब determinant. So 2 minus 2 1, 1 minus 3 minus 3. जो भी आंसर आएगा उसका मॉड्यूलस, your answer should be positive and units should be square units. If you forget to write units, you may lose some marks. Understood? Clear? 9th one is derivation. Will not do it. Now, next, same question. Find the area of parallelogram whose diagonals are given. This time, the diagonals of a parallelogram are given. That is, a bar is one of the diagonal का vector. B bar is another diagonal का vector. Okay. Clear? Since diagonals are given, area of parallelogram is half cross product of the diagonals d1 cross d2 का magnitude. That is half times d1 cross d2. ये हो गया मेरा d1, ये हो गया मेरा d2. That is a bar cross b bar का mod. अगेन फाइंड व्हाट इज a bar क्रॉस b bar, उसका मॉडुलस निकालो, डिवाइड बाय 2 करो, you will get area of parallelogram. So two formulas: if sides are given a cross b, if diagonals are given, half cross product of the diagonals. Understood? Okay, next, a very good question. If a bar, b bar, c bar and d bar are distinct vectors such that a cross b is equal to c cross d and a cross c is equal to b cross d, you have to prove a minus d is parallel to b minus c. You have to prove that a minus d is parallel to b minus c. Since I have to prove that these two are parallel, what will I do? I will start with the cross product of both the vectors, because we know that if the cross product comes out to be 0, the vectors are parallel. So I will cross product like this, that is a bar cross b bar minus a cross c minus d cross b plus d cross c. ठीक है? Now what is given to you? It is given that a cross b is equal to c cross d. So I will write a cross b as c cross d. What is a cross c now? A cross c is nothing but b cross d. So let it as b cross d. इसको उल्टा किया, this will become plus b cross d. If I reverse this, it will become minus. Correct? C cross d cancel. B cross d cancel. That is 0 bar. क्या मिला? A bar minus d bar cross d bar minus c bar is equal to 0 bar. Therefore, a bar minus d bar is parallel to b bar minus c bar. Understood? Yes? Next, these are good sums now. Now they are given a bar as I plus j plus k, c bar as j minus k. Find vector b bar. You have to find vector b bar such that a cross b दिया है c bar and a dot b दिया है 3. A cross b is given as c and a dot b is given as 3. तो देखो, I'll assume b bar as x I bar plus y j bar plus z k bar. Let us say that b bar is given by x I plus y j plus z k. तो a dot b कितना दिया है? 3. So I take dot product of these two. क्या आएगा? x plus y plus z is equal to 3. Correct? With the help of dot product, I got one of the equation that x plus y plus z equal to 3. अभी क्या बोला है? a cross b. a cross b क्या आएगा? I j k 1 1 1 x y z is equal to c bar. c bar क्या है? j bar minus k bar. तो क्या मिलेगा? I z minus y z minus x y minus x. Now two vectors are equal. It means by equality I can say that यहाँ पर I नहीं है, so I can say that z minus y is 0. I can say that z minus x is minus 1, and I can say that y minus x is also minus 1. Correct? Yes. अभी what we can do now, we need to solve. Correct? So here from here z कितना मिला मुझे? y. कितना मिला z मुझे? y. Correct? So substitute z as y over here. So what will I get? X plus 2y is equal to 3, my third equation, and minus x plus y is equal to minus 1, fourth equation. I will solve both of them. I will get 3y is equal to 2. So I got y as 2 by 3. Therefore z भी कितना आएगा 2 by 3. What is left? X. So I know that z minus x is minus 1. So therefore z minus x is minus 1. So 2 by 3 plus 1 equal to x. Therefore x becomes 5 by 3. Since I got x, y and z, I got b bar. Therefore b bar क्या आएगा 5 by 3 I cap, 2 by 3 j cap, 2 by 3 k cap. आया समझ में? So this will give me b bar. You can cross verify whether the answer is correct. a bar और b bar को डॉट प्रोडक्ट किया, आंसर कितना आना चाहिए 3. Understood? Yes. Okay, next sum. You have to find a bar if a bar cross I bar plus 2a bar minus 5j bar is 0. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll assume a bar as again xi plus yj plus zk. क्या हो जाएगा ये xi plus yj plus zk क्रॉस i प्लस 2a कितना हो जाएगा 2x i कैप 2y j कैप 2z k कैप माइनस 5j इक्वल टू 0. 0 का मतलब क्या है 0i प्लस 0j प्लस 0k बराबर. सो कंबाइन ऑल i टुगेदर, ऑल j टुगेदर, ऑल k टुगेदर. उसके लिए x i को i से क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट किया, क्या आंसर आएगा 0. j क्रॉस i, आई नो दैट i क्रॉस j इज k बराबर, बट मेरे पास क्या है j क्रॉस i है, क्या आएगा माइनस k. से हो जाएगा माइनस y k कैप. k क्रॉस i क्या आएगा j, सो प्लस z j कैप 2x i कैप. नो 2y और 5 साथ में लिखेंगे बिकॉज दे आर लाइक टर्म्स. 2z k कैप इज इक्वल टू, ओके, अभी सारे कंबाइन करते हैं. सो 2x i का एक ही टर्म है मेरे पास, ये y का j का टर्म है, ये भी j का, दैट इज 2y माइनस 5 प्लस z j कैप. फिर k के लिए क्या आएगा 2z माइनस y k कैप. करेक्ट. बाय इक्वालिटी 2x कितना आ रहा है 0, देयरफॉर मेरा x तो 0 है. करेक्ट. 2y प्लस z माइनस 5 भी कितना आएगा 0, एंड 2x माइनस y भी कितना आएगा 0. x 0 है, therefore मेरा y भी 0 आएगा. क्या आएगा y 0. If y is 0, my z will become 5. क्या आएगा z 5. Therefore I can say a bar आएगा 5k. क्या आएगा a bar 5k because x and y are 0. Understood? Yes. Okay. Now next one. If a bar dot b bar का मॉड्यूलस is a bar क्रॉस b bar का मॉड्यूलस, एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंडीशन दिया है a bar dot b bar लेस देन 0 है, यू हैव टू फाइंड थीटा, एंगल बिटवीन a एंड b. क्या फाइंड करना है एंगल बिटवीन a एंड b. तो देखो व्हाट कैन आई यूज, आई कैन यूज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ साइन थीटा. साइन थीटा क्या आता है a क्रॉस b अपॉन ए बी. कॉस थीटा क्या आता है a डॉट b अपॉन ए बी. आई विल डिवाइड बोथ ऑफ देम. तो क्या आएगा मेरा आंसर tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू a बार क्रॉस b बार का मैग्नीट्यूड अपॉन a बार डॉट b बार. ए बार डॉट बी बार का मैग्नीट्यूड लिखो या ए बार डॉट बी बार लिखो, बात एक ही है, करेक्ट। सो मेरा tan थीटा कितना आएगा 1, करेक्ट। देयरफॉर बट a डॉट b लेस देन 0 बोला है, a डॉट b लेस देन 0 मतलब नेगेटिव, इट मींस cos थीटा इज नेगेटिव, इट मींस just because of this a bar dot b bar my cos theta will be less than 0, correct। that means theta is obtuse angle, क्या आएगा theta obtuse angle। तो यहाँ पर tan theta 1 आया है तो मेरा theta आएगा 135 डिग्री, that is 3 pi by 4, you getting it। actual में this should be -1 because this is negative, a dot b क्या है नेगेटिव, सो थीटा आएगा 3 pi by 4, अंडरस्टूड। वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द DRS ऑफ अ वेक्टर which is perpendicular to two lines having DRS -2 1 -1 and -3 -4 1, ठीक है। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सम नाउ, 99% चांसेस दैट दिस सम कैन कम इन योर एग्जाम। एक DRS चाहिए वेक्टर का which is perpendicular to two lines, so what will I say, let required vector have DRS as A, B, C. The vector which I need has DRS A, B, C. Now since required vector is perpendicular to lines 1 and 2, they have given that required vector is perpendicular to two lines. Since vectors are perpendicular, इनके DRS का multiplication क्या आएगा 0, that is -2a plus b minus c is equal to 0, इक्वेशन 1। इसे और इस वेक्टर को मल्टीप्लाई किया, थीटा 90 डिग्री आएगा, सो 0 हो जाएगा, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0। सिमिलरली ये -3a -4b plus c equal to 0, correct। I've got two equations but three unknowns which I have to find. The easiest method over here is write the unknown, second unknown as minus sign and third unknown, ठीक है। अब a लिखा है तो a को छोड़ के b और c की कोएफिशिएंट्स लिखो, कितना है b का कोएफिशिएंट 1 -1 -4 1, इसका माइनर, b के लिए लीव b, सो -2 -c -3 c, सॉरी -1 1, c के लिए लीव c एंड राइट -2 1 -3 -4, तो क्या आएगा a अपॉन 1 -4 -3 -2 -3 -5 8 plus 3 11, ये जो वैल्यूज आई है they are the DRS, therefore A B C the required vector have DRS -3 5 11, क्या आएगा required vectors have DRS -3 5 11। क्या किया, एक वेक्टर लिया जिसके DRS A B C है। now if lines are perpendicular, should know that if lines are perpendicular, that is having DRS A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2, then I can say that A1 A2 B1 B2 C1 C2 is equal to 0। so ये वेक्टर इसको परपेंडिकुलर है, so multiplication 0 multiplication 0, two equations and three unknowns। so what I did, I took A then B और C के coefficients, took B A और C के coefficients, took C A और B के coefficients, understood, okay, thank you।